Hello student, this is the fourth part of article. Later it was discussed the three parts of article. Today we will start this fourth part. So let us begin the class. Students, you will see on the screen that repetition of the article it has been written. So we will start the repetition of the article in this part. Look at these sentences. I shall read the first and the second chapter. Second number, I shall read the first and second chapters. Now student, tell me, what is the difference between these two sentences? You can see here that in first sentence, it can be used articles in both the first as well as the second chapters. But in second sentence, the is used only before first and it cannot use before second. So, what we can see? We see that when two or more than two adjectives qualify the same person or object, then we would add article with first adjective. See, adjectives here, the first as well as the second, because it can qualify the chapters. So, in a sentence, when it can use the two adjectives or more than two adjectives, we always use article before the first adjectives. Never uses the articles in every adjectives. Now in the second point, now we compare the secretary and treasurer is absent. And in second sentence, the secretary and the treasurer are absent. Hence we see that when two or more connected nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is ordinarily used before the first only. Means secretary and treasurer are both connected nouns. It can refer only the same thing. So we cannot use before these two the articles. We can use only a article before the first connected noun. In expressing a comparison, if two nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is used before the noun only. Example, you can see in the screen that he is a better mechanic than clerk. We just compare between mechanic and clerk. So in comparison, we never use articles before them. Now come towards a important point. What is this? But if they refer to different persons or things, the article must be used with each noun as. Now it can be more clarified by giving this example. He is better mechanic than a clerk. Why? Because we can compare different professions from one to another. Means different persons means he is better mechanic. Means he is a better mechanic and the person who always works better in mechanic, not in a clerk. So when we are compared with different persons, we always use different persons. Point should be noted here. When we will differentiate between different persons, before this, we can use article or the repetition of article it would occur here. Otherwise, in same person with different profession, we cannot use articles. So, I hope these points would clear your doubts of articles. Now, children, some questions will be given below, and by using your copy as well as pen, you will try to solve this. Questions are written there. Insert articles where necessary. The first one is sun rises in east. The second one is the poor woman has not rupee. The third, where did you buy umbrella? The fourth, Tagore was great poet. 5. How blue sky looks. 6. You must take care. 7. Draw map of India. I hope these questions would clarify your doubts as well, and you would understand the whole concepts of articles in this fourth part. Thank you, students, for your support. I will again come with next chapter in your next session. Thank you once again.